Hello everyone, my name is Arpan Mahata and I am from Midnapore from West Bengal, and I hold a bachelor's degree in computer application as well as a master's degree in computer application from Graphicera University and HNB Garhwal University. After my graduation, I was looking for jobs on multiple job portals, and one of the job portals I found about Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd, and go through their details, description and all. And after that I enrolled in Evision Technoserve for a network engineering internship course, and over there I learned about so many modules in networking fundamentals, CCNA, Windows administration, and Windows Server, cyber security, and other many other modules. And with the help of those modules, I gain little bit of experience as well by practicing in the classes with the live demonstrations. And with the help of those live demonstration and theoretical knowledge and the personality development interview preparation by Evision Technoserve, I finally cracked a 2.5 LPA job as a desktop support engineer at Vserv Infosystems with the client company Care Health Insurance. I'm very grateful to Evision and all the teachers and all the staff members who were always supporting and guiding us to get our job in IT sector. And I'm very grateful to Evision Technoserve for giving me this opportunity to study under this all these great teachers and guiding me through my journey into the IT field. Thank you so much.